In this video, I will tell you how to generate thousands of leads regardless of your location and your niche. If you are a freelancer agency owner or a marketer who is looking for a client, I will tell you a free way to generate unlimited leads, and I will also show you how you can automate the entire process using ChatGPT. I want to say that no one in the industry provides this type of information for free. 80% of the people who watch this channel frequently do not subscribe. If you have ever found the video valuable, can you please do me a favor and subscribe? It helps us more than you know, and the bigger the channel, the better content we can create. So that being said, let's start with the basics. So what is a lead? In simple terms, lead in marketing refers to an individual or an organization who has the potential to become a future customer. So as a video editor, anyone who is looking for a video editing service is a lead. So a real estate owner who is looking for a real estate promo is an ideal lead. So as his friend and people involved in the same industry. So anyone who can do business with me in the future is a potential lead. Or leads for your business is sell your product or services. In lead generation, we put together details such as first name, business website, business name, company details, social handle, and etc. so that we can later reach out to them. And there are a lot of free and paid tools to generate leads. Identify which industry you are targeting and what your ideal clients look like. For example, I'm looking for a realtor in New York who might be interested in real estate, video editing, but you can do the same process for any industry. For example, dentist, hair salon, restaurant, or anything else. So the first free method we will use is Google Map. All you have to do is go to Google Map and search for realtors in New York. Now you will see a lot of people with their business website and name. Now what you have to do is you have to click on one and go to their website and find out details like first name, last name, business name, social media handle, and their Gmail. Another step that I do is I write a compliment for each lead. It can be anything about how their website look or anything about their business. This will help us when we reach out to them, so it won't look like we have sent the same email to thousands of people. Now take your time and repeat this process as possible, as many times as you like, and all the data into an Excel sheet. I will suggest first building a lead list and then reach out to people and not going back and front unless it will take a lot of time. So in around 2 hours you will generate 50 to 100 leads. This process is highly effective, but it might take a lot of time. So let's move to the second method, in which we will use ChatGPT and Google Map. So now go to Google search and search for site instagram.com, and then inside the quotation write the industry you are looking for. For me it is realtors, then leave a space and write the city or country you are looking for. For me it is New York right now, and after that leave a space, and in the quotation mark write again rategmail.com. Now if you hit enter, it will generate a list of realtors in New York who have included their Gmail in their Instagram profile. Now what you can do is press Ctrl A and Ctrl C, which will copy the entire data which is available on that page. And now go to ChatGPT and open a new window, then paste this data. After that, copy paste the prompt you can see on the screen. I will also add this prompt in the description. Now ChatGPT will go through all the data and clear out entries which are repeated and put the entire thing into a CSV file for you. Now what you have to do is copy this and paste it into Excel sheet. Now you can do this process for all the websites and for all the industry and location. For example, you can be a content writer who is looking for entrepreneurs to work with, and now you can repeat this entire process in the site. And now you can either select Instagram or you can do it with other sites also, example Twitter or Facebook, and you can select city, country, or states. And also when you search, you will get multiple pages of search. So you can copy and paste all the data into ChatGPT and repeat the same process. In just 30 to 40 minutes, you will have 500 to 1000 leads. Now if you are someone who has budget for lead generation and don't want to spend time doing this, you can try tools like Apollo AI or D7 Lead Finder, which can generate thousands of leads in just few minutes. To even save that time, you can go to Fiverr and look for someone who can do lead generation for you for just $10 to $20. Now once you have the lead list ready, you can start sending emails or message to them. For a better conversation, try to write a personalized email where you compliment. Write their names, and it should not look like you have sent the same email for thousands of people. So no one will like that. This is the email that I use. It starts with hi. first name and then compliment. Then I ask them a genuine question about their video. After that, I introduce myself and the business. After that, I write 2 lines how I can help them. After that, I end the email with call to action, so they can book the meeting there and there. So if you are starting out, you can start sending mail manually to each lead, but that might take some time. I will tell you how to automate this process using Lemlist. Please note that Lemlist is a paid software. If you are someone who has a budget and want to automate this process, you should check it out. Also, this video is not sponsored by Lemlist. I just personally use Lemlist. That is why I'm showing the tutorial. There are multiple ways to do this process. I will just show you how I do it. First, export the Excel file as a CSV and then go to Lemlist and click on new campaign. You can create a manual campaign and name it anything you like. Then click on the lead list and click on import CSV. After that, go ahead and select the CSV file and make sure all the variables are correct. This means that the column and the name list variable type should match each other. For example, first name for name, email for Gmail, and for the complement you can select icebreaker. Now you can come back to the sequence and write your email for the subject. I would use to love together, and then the first name variable. This first name variable will basically be replaced from the lead list. Similarly, where we have written icebreaker, it would be replaced with complement. After that, I would like to add 3-4 follow-up emails because not everyone has the time to check their email all the time. I usually follow up till I get yes or no. These are simple online emails. For example, did you get the time to check this email? Or did you see this? Or would you be interested in this? Now, I do the first follow-up after 2 days, second after 4 days, and then after 7 days. You can also do one after 14 days if needed. I check the preview of some lists to see if it shows the right first name and the right icebreaker. The idea is to send 500 to 1000 email every single month. Usually, after starting the campaign, I start booking a lot of calls. I use Calendly for a discovery call. That's my complete method of generating unlimited leads and converting them to clients. If you are a freelancer who doesn't have the budget for automation, you can also use the manual process. Remember, cold email has the average response rate of 8 to 5%, which makes converting clients from 1 to 5%. That means out of 100 emails that you send, 8 to 10 people will open it, and 1-2 might get converted if your offer is good. But that's the average. But I'm here to tell you the truth. Sometimes it is worse than that. Before you do the entire process, make sure your offer is good, that people can't say no to you. That being said, keep trying and keep changing things. What might work for me might not work for you. So it is all about learning from your own experience. If you find this content valuable, do share it with your friends and give this video a like, and I will see you in the next video.